In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install a 100% save file in Metro Exodus. Check my video description for the save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR and open this random number. Navigate to this PC C drive username saved games Metro Exodus random number. Before dropping the save file, you need to back up your game progress. Right click on blank area and select new and select folder. Backup 1, enter center, drag and drop this game progress inside the backup. Drag and drop the 100% save file in this location and go back to C drive, users, public documents, Steam, Dex, 412020, remote, and this time name it as backup 2 and drag and drop this game progress and drag and drop the 100% save file in this location and launch the game. Once you are in game, go to chapters and choose the chapter you want to play. To show you guys it's working, I'm gonna load this chapter summer. And as you can see, the save file is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.